this. Okay, so just to know how to save that, drawing the PDF. So this will be helpful for your model and the university exam. So any doubt on first question? We have found how to draw that position. First position of that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which we are select front view or top view or side view for first question.
So first you have to draw in front view of cylinder, then you have to change to top view.
Okay, okay.
Sir.
I'll take the question first. Yeah, that cylinder question. 50 mm diameter, axis is 80 mm length. Okay, lying on the ground. This axis inclined 40 to watt. Okay. So last time people confused now. So which you have to select for drawing cylinder first initially.
In front view to
Yeah, front
draw a
view,
circle,
circle, then extrude.
cylinder, and we have to change to extrude
Ah,
80 mm. Then we have to change to
okay.
top view. Then rotate the with
45
45
degree.
degree.
That's it. Easy, but the four questions you can completing within 50 minutes maximum. I'm telling. And you just slowly complete it. Already increase deadline 20th. Okay. So I hope you may see 20th deadline for week number 5 as well as week number 6 both. So to submit. Okay. So now some people submitted. Here also some people are getting confused. Okay, this is correct. Okay. Okay, some people are getting confused. Okay, how to draw the right side view? Okay, so right side view you must draw left side of front view. Okay, this is front view means for left side of front view you draw the right side view. Suppose in the question they asking left side view. Okay, so that you are projecting the left side view on the right side of front view. Okay, this is correct. Okay, because of front view will be here, top will be here, but the right side view you have to draw the left side of front view here. Okay, so don't think in your hand. That it belongs to front view. Okay, so not our thing. So right side view, remember at least you have to draw the left side of front view. Okay, like this. So the left side you have to draw right side of your front view here. Okay, the left side you have to draw here. Okay, don't make mistake. This is correct. Like this you have to draw right side view. Okay, fine, but Sarvesh, available?
Yes, sir.
Sarvesh, okay, very good. You completed questions, like all questions. But the main thing is dimensions missing, pa.
Sir, I'm able to include dimensions, sir. Sir, how to invert dimensions?
Same, you know, that in layout option you can do that. What annotate? For example, for this question, I did on some box without my dimension. But in the layout option, again you go to dimensions. Okay. Closing this one. See there. Go to annotate, then give some many dimensions. Okay, suppose linear means linear can select.
Sir, in cylinder it is not possible, na?
Cylinder can give circle, na? Circle for diameter circle you can give, or else the length you can give. Your diagram.
Sir, how to level circle and cylinder?
Okay, circle here maybe will be coming circle like diameter will come. Okay, diameter symbol.
Sir, show in cylinder. I am not unable to do in cylinder.
Cylinder or you get some one or two dimensions. This is okay, also fine, but circle dimension is missing. Okay, here the circle diameter is missing. Okay.
Sir, that only I am not able to give.
Wait,
I tried.
Okay, I'll give. Then one more thing. Second question, no dimensions. Even though front view top no dimensions. Okay, the axis height they given as well as the base diameter also they given. So for that also at least yes, any two dimensions. So main number of dimensions you have to give. Getting for this question no dimensions. As well as here also there is no dimensions. So that 20 mm height will be the number 20 mm height. Sarvesh?
Yes, sir. I'll give.
Okay. The 20 mm height you at least give. Then height axis height you can give. Answer is correct. But the dimensions only just missing. Okay. Okay, so hereafter I'm going to have some little bit some strict. Okay, suppose you're missing any one part, means I'll reduce your marks. 1 mark or half marks. Here also fine. Okay, dimensions.
Sir, will you show in cylinder?
I will show it. Wait. But here one more question is done. Have two subdivisions. One is line joining the centers parallel to the both wall and floor. Then inclined. But top view this will draw only one. Fourth one. Fourth one, there is two subdivisions. One is line joining the centers. It's parallel to both wall and floor. Okay, that is first and simple without rotation. That time what will happen? So front view top will be the same. Okay. The second condition inclined. So the front view and top is a little bit different. Okay. So you have to draw two things. Okay, for drawing that one. So I'll draw simply without any dimensions. I'm going to draw some object here. Okay, cylinder object. But you draw in your own dimensions. Okay, you have to draw cylinder. Suppose in front view. Okay. I didn't set the units limits and all, so maybe it will be coming different. Okay, so I'm just showing how to give the dimensions in cylinder. Okay, the units. Suppose I'm drawing any one object cylinder. Okay. Radius. Okay. Draw your own questions. How much radius? A diameter? Diameter 50 mm, axis is 80 mm. Okay. Diameter 50. Axis is 80. So, cylinder, center, diameter is 50, axis height is 80. Okay, I did one cylinder. You want to check, you can check. I can draw circle then extrude. That is how I told two methods. Okay, so let us change into wireframe. Then go to your top view. Then rotate it. Okay, rotate some angle. Okay. Then already change it for projection symbol first angle. So I'm going directly base model space, select object, enter. I can go to same date 1, 2, 3 only. Okay, this may be where front view. Then projecting below, you are getting the top view. Maybe they ask isometric image, you can draw side view, but your isometric you can draw like this. Then press enter. You may see some diagram will be there, okay, some symbol that is already on all previous diagram. Okay, so just delete it, no problem. Only select that points. Okay. Okay, so for giving dimensions, okay, main thing our dimension. Go to annotate. For example, I'm giving this diagonal length. Okay, that we know already. Aligned one. How much? 80 mm. Okay, so this length is 80 mm. Okay, so the die not visible. Same dim style. If convenient, can change in the units. Just click OK. Then set current. Now 80. Okay. So it will confuse with the diameter. Okay, I'll check it. Go to radius or diameter. Just click this circle. Not coming here.
So that only I was saying it was not coming, sir.
Yeah, wait. Otherwise, we selected the cylinder now. That's what totally coming.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Otherwise, you draw one circle and extrude. Okay, like this, we'll try. Otherwise, so you know only draw the diameter. Okay. From this you can understand because this is cylinder. Okay, they give circle. So this isometric view. Okay, so maybe it will be coming like this cylindrical shape only. Length we gave already 80 mm. Only this only I will give 50. 50 I am not able to give here because this is one single object. I am not able to give 50, so I am giving here. Okay, because this is twisted. Getting out because this is not a circle now, looking like some ellipse shape.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so here maybe not giving the circle, so I am giving directly here. Okay, or else you can give directly here also you can give. Okay, that is also method. Did you give 50 in your diagram? I'll check it once. This is you have to align here. This is okay. Suppose we are not able to give him friendly because of friendly normal original circle means will be coming correct. Okay, but here is not a original circle. Okay, so this is some ellipse shape symbol. That's why we are not selecting the. This is one method. Suppose if you delete any one view, you can select. I am taking the deleted this view. Okay, so suppose what we'll do, we are going to again from the model importing. But I didn't go to model directly from the top. You can take the front view.
Sir, why that yellow symbol is coming?
That's the dimensions are 2 dimensions because of here I gave 50. Getting here I gave 50 already. This also giving 50. So 2 times now. See, they're giving the reassociated dimensions now. Suppose wait, this dimension.
Sir, actually we have to write NO monitor and type value 0 to itself, sir.
Sorry? Because initially I draw one diagram for here. I draw one cube now, so I deleted that, so now that's so maybe that also will come.
Okay, sir.
You aligned one. I can give this direction also now.
Sir, type NO monitor in command box, sir. NO monitor. Monitor. And click on it, sir, and enter value 0. Sir, in the command box.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Your thing is okay, pa. Yeah, tell me.
sir, how to label all these cylinder and circles?
Cylinder, I told the maximum not getting labeled means at least leave it as it is.
Okay, sir.
Actually, you have to divide the circle into some equal parts. Okay. For the cone also, now you are dividing some. Sorry, for drawing here, the dividing circle into equal parts. Then here now no is okay for solid only. For suppose the 2D plane means dividing some equal parts. So I hope you remember during cyclide.
Yes,
okay, cyclide you divided now some equal parts. There you given label. But in this case, normally if you're giving label means there will be coming some generators. So this size generators will be coming generators, but you cannot give the label for the here.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm not getting view option in Mac, sir.
Yeah, same problem. Yeah,
Yeah,
same
I'm
problem.
also not getting.
Yeah. I understood. The same problem for other section also. I'm going addition faculty for the other section. They are also saying like that. So we cannot do anything. Otherwise, we have to take it some new options only. Okay. The Max sections is not coming back. So some people, not only our class, other class, some other class also discuss the same problem. It's okay. So we cannot do anything. It's okay. The side also is not thinking about any. You can type some comments in the website also. Okay, better for any alternate.
Yeah, sir, we can type view base in comment box, then we are getting, but I don't know where should I change that first angle projection or that and all.
That again one more options see for here the shortcut key will come, see that. The type command bar. Okay, for changing for this also, you can get type it in the view standard.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see, try view standard. Okay, there you can change it. Suppose if option anything not coming in, that's what the command bar is helpful. Will help you. Okay, just type it. Repeat once. I'm not getting clearly. Yeah. Suppose that one of your friend asked, so the changing first angle projection. Suppose the view option is not coming for some lab, okay, computer center. Okay, for that you can type it directly from the command. Okay, for changing that view standard, that is third angle to first angle. Normally we are clicking here directly. By clicking this option, you can change it. Okay, or else type view standard. See the now view standard. You can get a changing the projection symbol first angle to third angle to first angle. Okay, getting a Shivakurupriya.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So like this, okay, any other issue, just tell me. Okay, we'll discuss, we'll clarify. So you can change it. Okay, Sarvesh. Okay, add some possible dimensions. Uh, here the only that the thing diameter is missing here. Okay, for the first question saying length you given as well as angle also you given, that is 45 degree inclined also you given. Only the diameter we don't know, that is 50 mm. Okay, so possible any one view, whether isometric view or top view, you can give on 50 mm line. Okay. Similarly for here also, the axis height. Okay, the cone axis height, how much they given? Yeah, 45 mm. Diameter is 40. Okay, so two dimensions must be there. Here there is no rotation, so just take directly. So this may be 40, height may be 45. Okay, like this you can give. Okay, any one view. No need to give all view dimensions. Okay, suppose if they are giving here front view, you are giving diameter means, okay, in the top you can give the axis length. Or the axis length you are giving here, right side you can give the front view diameter. Okay, so any view you can give the dimensions. So don't copy the dimension all the view. Okay, so front view also giving the diameter, right side you also giving the diameter, then top you also giving diameter. That is a wrong method for dimensions. Okay, you can give, but that is a wrong method because we are giving all, because anyway that will be equal only. We're trying diameter will be equal for all the views only. Okay, no need to give all dimensions in all the views. Any one view, one dimension, one only can give. Okay, then we completed. Okay, service. Okay, yeah, service. Okay, you can give dimensions and submit. Okay, no problem. Time is there.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah. Which one? Which one? Nigel.
the view thing in the Mac, sir, is not working, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm told. But in not only that one Max version do not don't work. So for that only I told you just use the command bar. Which one you want? Not coming, yeah. See there, I'm not selecting directly from. Okay, wait. I'm not selecting directly from here. Okay, so I'm going to do the command bar. I'll just type VAUD view STD view standard. Okay, just typing. Will be coming now. I didn't select from. Ah. So wait. Otherwise, share your screen once. Share your screen. Wait, I'll stop the presenter. Here also you can get the help from F1. Okay, if you're pressing the F1 key, okay, you can get the help shortcut key for various commands. Right. No, not here. If I want to change the scale before coming to that model layout, you must change the view. Okay. Not view standard VAWSTD. Uh, 2021. Wait, just press escape something. Newly fresh. Okay. Start from newly. This is model space only. Not coming. Yeah. Okay, do. For Prasad also said not coming. But the base, everything is coming now. View base. Whether you typed in some Google search how to change it in option they gave. Change it. Yeah, some math questions are more difficult only. Okay. Yes. Regarding that view option, okay. I will find the solution. I will discuss the next class. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll ask some course faculty. Okay, so we'll discuss. Yes, in other IMS saying now. So in other section also, other some more section. Okay, so having same problem for math version. But view changing and all not that. Okay. So we'll ask. So we'll ask what they did and all. Okay. So any other doubt pa other than this? Then second question, same. If you answer, that is you have draw the cone. Simple. There is no rotation. Only you have draw the base diameter, altitude. That is 45 mm. You have try it. Main thing is we have to assume which year to start first. Because they are saying the base is kept parallel to the wall. Okay, base is kept parallel to the wall. So your base there you can draw the front view. Okay, the front view you can able to only see only circle. Top you can see the triangle. Then in addition they asked asking for right side view. Okay, so that only you have to take hints. Right side view you have to draw the left side of front view. Okay. Then third question, fourth question already I drawn last class during class I discussed it. Okay, how to draw it. Okay, only 4 questions. So kindly complete as soon as possible. Yeah, others the max question is also using whether final answers coming for whether that is your front view top view is coming properly. Nikhil, Shiva Guru Priya, who's using the Mac question?
Sir, I'm not using Mac.
Yeah, Nikhil. Whether the final answer is coming properly, that is front view, top view, side view, without using view standard. Whether you tried that one?
Sir, he is having Windows also.
Which one?
अरे सर्वेश भाई तुम चुप रहो 2 मिनट के लिए यार.
Nikhil, you are showing some answers now. Now you are trying some cone and all. Whether the final answers coming properly, whether that is front view, top view, side view is coming properly based on your final answers. Are you getting my point, Nikhil? If you're using a Mac question without using your that view standard, that is changing first angle, okay, that is from that angle to first angle, whether you are getting the correct answer, like a front view, top view, side view. Any other response other than Nikhil? So using the Mac question. Only
Sir,
3
how
to
to
4 people only answer. Yeah. Only 3 to 4 people only opening mouth. Others, I don't know what they're doing.
Sir,
Sri, tell me.
sir, in that, how to remove that exclamatory mark, that yellow color exclamatory mark when we are putting dimension?
Auto collimator. One of your friend will discuss, na?
Yes, sir, I told.
Yeah. Sarvesh. Auto?
Yes. Sir, we have to type NO monitor in command box and type value 0 to it.
0. Otherwise, do one thing, Chatasri. Okay, so if you are not getting that view, only getting that extra, that symbol means you can draw another view. Same.
So only in the dimensions thing it is coming like that. Rest all is fine.
Rest is okay. That's what I'm saying. I draw one dimensions now. For the top, you are getting like this. Okay, so in the isometric, you are not getting that value like that. Okay, so that is also fine. Suppose if you're feeling any one view is coming, another view won't come. Okay, so try that one like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
As per the suggestion from that surveys, you can try it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I've submitted without removing that exclamatory mark. Is that fine or?
Okay, no problem. Other thing, okay, diamonds, everything remaining and all okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so just see, this is only practice. So the final exam, don't do like that. Okay. Suppose if you are getting one view, you are getting like this notation means you change it to give the dimension another view. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Boy, any the difficulty, only 4 to 5, maximum 5 people only opening their mouth. Okay, others I don't know what they're doing. No problem. We have doubt, just ask. We'll clarify. Okay, otherwise we will have everything having. Yeah. Roshan. Roshan, is there something? No, no. Yeah, one of your friend Himanshu, he did some notation for. Okay, I'll share that his answer also. Okay, Himanshu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why, this is which
Yes,
you
sir.
first question. First question, what is the friend may be wrong, na? We are getting different, but you are getting also different. Okay, check this answer. Okay, for this question. First question.
Okay.
Check the answers.
Okay.
Okay. And then so you ask in a Sarvesh. So he did very good. See that, na? So after drawing everything, he draw the line. I think he draw the line. I think so. Correct, Himanshu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I drew
Okay,
it.
Draw this line and all. Okay, you draw the line. Here is some notation for that circle. Not all the point. Okay, what the cross sections. Okay, A dash B dash like this. So you divide in circle 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 quadrants like this. He gave, but notations also in small letters.
Okay, sir.
Should not give capital letters. Okay, Himanshu.
Okay.
You have understood. Okay, okay. Giving capital letters ABCD, but normally front view, top view, side view, and all small letters. Small letters. Okay.
Okay.
So like this only, we are getting some. We can give input for. Okay, I can give input for drawing the answers. Okay, here also change that lettering. Okay, then here how much the height here? This here height.
Sir, 20 millimeters. Sorry, I forgot to mention.
That is missing now. How we know? Okay, so that also you can give. Okay, so what are the I am giving one against. What are the possible dimensions they given in the question paper? Okay, suppose the question paper. What are the dimensions given? That should be replicating your answers also. Okay, so here they given 25 base size, 60 mm, then 20 mm. They given main 3 dimensions. Okay, that should be must be okay. Replicated in your answers also. Okay. Other dimensions no problem, but what are the given dimensions in the questions? Okay, that should be replicated in your answers. That is a correct. Okay, so you can use. Then where is the front view here?
Sir, I only drew this view because means the
Why,
question wasn't
not
asking
with
anything
the-
front, top.
Your projection means you are draw front view, top view, side view. Draw their projections. Okay, not projections means front view, top view. That is main thing. So, but in addition, you can draw side view or isometric. That is basically. Here they given top view, front view, side view. Okay, so that is isometric they given. Here they given side view as they asked. So projection means must be front view, top view must be there. Okay, at least. Okay. So this is just first to this 6th week. Okay. So don't like this also, others don't do mistakes. Okay, so again repeat, this is not for Himanshu, all the people. Don't give you a chance to reduce your marks. Okay, we're giving you a chance to reduce your marks. I'll reduce your marks. Okay, so up to first 3 weeks maximum So based on your performance, okay, I give the marks. Okay, suppose any small mistake also there, so I will consider the neglected the mistakes. Okay, but hereafter, because of we cannot give all the people 10, 10, 10. Okay, there is no meaning of evaluations. Okay, so if I give you any small mistake, if I found anything in my value corrections, okay, so that time I'll reduce the marks. Okay, that's why I'm repeating. All the people, can you listen? Don't give me a chance to reduce your marks. Okay, you are giving more effort. Okay, I know. First year we are giving more effort for drawing this and all. Okay, but draw correctly as well as neatly. Two things. Okay, some people will draw correctly, but they draw not neatness. Okay, somewhat diagram or alignment notations, maybe somewhat not correct. Okay, so that time reduce the marks. Okay. So we're giving color also well and good. Okay, that is also the first 2-3 weeks. Some people are giving colors and all, so that is also fine. Okay, very good. But to draw correctly, that is also important things. Okay, main thing is correctness, then neatness. So that will be considered for evaluating your. Not only for this week's correction. Okay, that will be considered for your final exams also, university exam as well as moral particular exam. So don't give a chance to reduce your marks.
So should I submit and submit again?
No, yeah. Can you,
So
yes,
should I submit and submit?
yeah. Himanshi, correct. Yeah, you can resubmit. Okay. Time is there. Okay, I didn't give deadline. I gave only 20th only. So time is there. Okay, resubmit. Okay, for 10 out of 10. Okay.
Okay.
So like this also, those who submitted already. Some 2 more people also submitted already. So that people also. If you did any mistakes like this, any small careless mistake, maybe you don't know that maybe mistake or not, but you made some mistakes. Okay. Yeah. We can resubmit, no problem. Time is there. Okay. So kindly submit it before the deadline. That is the main thing. That is the next case I will find. Okay. Yes, so there must be a difference. Those are submitting on time, those are submitting late. Okay, there must be a difference. That is difference nothing but for marks. Okay. And also Zero Guru Priya available.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. Here also just give some line, okay, reference lines. XY line is there, na?
Okay, sir.
That is also missing. Okay, so you can draw that line also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then what is this 45 axis? Okay, I already told. I think third week onwards. Don't give dimensions inside the diagram.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, dimensions should be giving outside the diagram. Don't draw dimensions inside. Okay, here also 40 is inside. 45 high altitude height is also inside. Okay, so you have to give projection on outside of diagram.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that you can change it. Okay, remaining okay. You draw XY lines. The dimension should be outside. Okay, outside of the diagram. Similarly for naming also, label you can give correctly. Like outside only, but this one. Okay, what is this? Dimensions should be outside. As well as here given O. Correct. Here where is O dash here?
In the middle.
Yeah, middle will come, and then we will mark the one point and mark that what dash. Getting out.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is your apex point. Okay. So we don't show anything, but you can using the point command. Just click point. I'll take attendance. Wait. Just to mark the point on middle. Okay, getting the what dash. Okay. So others also kindly listen what the others doing mistakes. So kindly rectify your mistakes and correct your mistakes for getting full marks. Okay. Okay, the CLA 1 maximum more than 90% of people will got out of 10, maybe 9 will come. I think so. Okay. So CLA 2 also you want to get good marks. Okay, just improve. Okay. So initially you made a mistake. That is the first time. But keep on giving mistakes means okay. So I'll reduce the marks. Okay. Okay. Okay, pa. If any other doubts you can ask, I will go and take attendance. Okay, because some people are having network issues. You also check the answers. Okay, check the answers. So if you are having 2 answers, you have draw. So 2 subdivisions. Okay, front view for first one, top view may be different. Okay, second one may be top view correct. But this is confused. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have draw different sheet. One sheet you have draw 4.1. Unless you can draw 4.2 like this. Motes, then this only last. Bravo is there? Someone you Bravo? Is there?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir, there is, I have not mentioned the angle for 4.2. I'll correct that and then I'll put it.
Yes. Okay. Here also possible, like Himanshu draw some lines.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just draw lines, give this notation, A dash, B dash. Draw only four quadrants. Okay, whereas similarly for this side you can give 1, 2, 3 like this. For bottom also possible give. Okay.
Okay.
That is the correct one. If they give rotation, they also give some divided lines. Okay, drawing the lines, divide it, give rotations.
Okay.
Then here, what is this line?
Sir, that for the view differentiation, I have put that line.
XY. You can give a reference. You can give label XY.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
The cone maybe not. This is not a. This is looking like triangle. But cone having not like side, maybe some angle having surfaces like this. Okay. So try to give some all dimensions. 4 quadrant, like 4 quadrant divide, then give the all corner dimensions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that's maybe just any time it just improve, no problem. Okay. Similarly here also I told now 20 mm.
Yes.
So rotation 20 mm that you have to mark it.
Okay.
Okay. So that the end point, what is this apex point O dash for this also you get it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All the corners you must give the points. Okay. Okay, so I'll check it this answer later. Okay, so they give possible dimensions. Okay.
Okay.
So you can add correct answers later. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Paul. So only the 4 people give that corrections. Okay, same thing and follow others also. Okay, so don't give again repeating. Don't give a chance to me. Reduce the marks. Okay. Any other doubts? Okay. You found any shortcut key or any options are directly available? Okay. You just type it in our group also. Okay, some maybe other people also may be benefited. Okay. So this is lesson 75. Already communicated some people. So kindly again repeating, attendance is mandatory both theory and lab class. Okay. So kindly attend all the classes. Okay. Okay. Atul? 51. Atul? Okay, next.
52%, sir.
Okay, for next. Wait.
52%.
Okay, next. Then 53. 53. 54. Yeah, I'll check the chat box later. Okay, 54. Okay, then next. Okay, next day. Abhinav.
So he wrote in chat box.
He wrote in the chat.
Chat box. Okay, next day. Prithvi.
Present, 57 present, sir.
Next. Nikhil.
Sir, 58 wrote in the chat box.
Present, sir.
50.
8 wrote in the chat.
Okay, then 57 went Sai Ganesh. Okay, it's present. Okay, Virta present. Next to
Present,
60. Okay, next to 60.
Present, sir.
Okay, next ma. Make it faster.
61 present, sir.
Okay, but next day.
62 present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Shubham is having some medical issue. Okay, next day. Aditya. Aditya. 66 Aditya Swami. Next day.
68 present, sir.
Next day.
69 present, sir.
Next pa.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Madhava. 74
Present,
Madhava.
sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next
Present,
day.
sir.
Okay, next day. Ready. Okay, next day. Shrabi.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Kushi Bakshi. Saloni.
Present, sir.
Joined. Yeah. Next day. Okay. Bishav.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Adarva. For 84. Atyush.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Afan.
Present, sir. Present, sir. Present, sir. Hello.
Nikhil. Nikhil Ranjan.
Yes. Present, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Aditya.
Present, sir. So 90 present.
Panda.
Present, sir.
Okay, okay. Next is Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna Prakash. Next, Arushi. Okay.
Present, sir.
Okay, Sarve is there. Then Asmi.
Present, sir.
Okay, next, Nivedita.
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay, next, Samrin.
Present, sir.
Okay, next, Mugundan. Mugundan. Saranya.
Present, sir.
Okay, Magin. Magin. I think he joined, no? Magin. So again, attendance can leave. Wait, okay. Yeah?
Sir, 99 present, sir.
Magin, no. But I'll check it. Attendance.
So 114 present.
114. Wait, 102.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Navneet.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Next, Dhanishik. Abhirup.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Wait, just to see your screen, everyone, I'm just moving the cursor down now. That time you can tell your number. Bhargav. Abarna.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Others.
Present, sir.
Next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir. Divesh Mehta, 111.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Naman. Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Others once more time.
Present, sir. Others. 119.
Okay, next. Chetasri, okay, there. Aditya.
189 present, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Present,
next.
sir.
Tripanita. Okay, next. Ready.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Present, sir. 192.
Present, sir. 193.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, bye. Next. Himanshu. Okay, present. Roshan, present.
Present, sir.
Ayush.
Present, sir.
Ayush. Okay, any missing number?
377 sir.
Okay, okay. Aman. Aditya Swami, texter, okay.
Sir, 116 is present. I got disconnected.
116. Okay, fine, bro. Any present people, any missing numbers? 58, Shubham, okay. The next 76. Reddy. Bakshi, Kushi Bakshi, 78. Mic is not working, guess I just type it, okay. Adarva, 83, Adarva. No. Then Sri Krishna Prakash. You can leave, okay, you can leave. Thank you. Okay, we will discuss next week.
Sir.
Doubt me not. Yeah, shut us. See,
I wrote it just now. Can you just check and tell what other changes I should make?
this is the basics I told mistakes. Same, you have to follow for you also. Wait. Degree, okay. It's okay. Okay, here it's not possible to give that 4 quadrants like this.
Sorry, sir. What?
The cone, is it possible to give the dimensions like?
No, sir. It's not coming.
Your friend one did not. Himanshu, he draws the line.
Okay.
Again, after coming to layout, draw the line like this from the center. Okay. So divide into 4 quadrants. Then you can give A, B, C, D, or A dash. For front image, you can give A dash, B dash, C.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here only thing some small mistake, only that. Okay, so the giving label that will be better.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Sir, 101 present, sir.
Magina.
Yes, sir. My mic is not working. Now only working.
101,
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any others, if any mic is not working? Anshik? No. Okay. I will come to. Can I ask same 20 mm above height Shasri?
Okay, sir. I'll mention that also.
Because that is the main. Because I told you the question paper what the given dimensions are value that should be replicated in the dimension, at least any one view. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Suppose here 25 we are giving here, that be maybe we can give here. That is the correct one. 25 is here. Side length and edge length you are giving. Okay.
Yes,
You can
sir.
find the edge length. Okay, here maybe we can able to see the edge like this. Okay, 5 edges are there, so we can better give edge length is here. 25. Then 20 mm height you can give from here. Okay. Okay, first one. Okay. Here only many people are giving mistakes. Okay, this is first with the rotations. Okay. Then you can give some rotation. That is second question like this. Yeah. Okay. So here no need to worry about the label. Okay. A dash B dash, but that cone possible. Okay, you can use the label. Okay, so two mistakes. But two mistakes is yeah.
Question I have to do anything in the fourth question.
Fourth question. Okay, fine. Okay, so here don't worry about the label. Okay. Possible giving dimensions. Okay, dimension they given the fourth question. How much that? Yeah.
Diameter and the degree angle.
That will possible. You can give the dimensions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what are the possible dimensions from the questions? You can take the dimensions 31 they given as well as 32 value given. So you can give for your answers also. Try to give that fine.
Okay, sir.
Then here I told that is a height. Okay, and as well as change the side length. Okay. For this question.
Yes, sir.
Then this question possible divide 2 quadrants. Sorry, 4 quadrants.
Okay, sir.
Round line like this. Okay, so only that much only. Then give A dash B dash. Here maybe the end point. You know how to get it? Yeah.
In the isometric view also we'll have to cut that.
No. Only front view. Front view, possible top view or side view. You can give some label like this.
Okay,
here,
sir.
A dash means maybe here A. Here it may be coming A, double dash. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Then more or less okay, remaining under. Okay. Okay, they are asking radius or diameter this one.
Diameter 40.
Okay. It's possible try to give outside. If not possible, okay, fine. But diameter maybe you can possible to give outside now.
Okay, sir.
Try with the cursor move the outside, it will be coming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here give the label, but where is that B dash point?
Which point?
You did B dash, no, B double dash. Where which
Yes,
is
sir.
B double dash?
Sir, that
We don't know. We are not able to see. So, but we can draw. Correct? What I'm saying.
okay, sir. I'll draw a right.
Maybe that line end point will be the B dash. Like this, you can assume. But here in this case, we don't know whether this point is B dash or this point is B dash. We don't know this point. Okay, so we got a number of points will be there. Okay, the circle having some. We don't know, but we can divide means it will become more points. Okay, so better you can have one straight line like this. Okay, so
yes, sir. I'll do it.
Okay, ma, remaining and all okay, very good. Okay, so remaining
Thank
just
you,
what I told, you can change it, then you can upload it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye. So any other people having doubt, we will discuss. Any attendance missing? Okay, in the
So?
please I will post. Okay, yeah. Shalini, tell me.
I'm having, sir,
Sorry, tell me.
I'm having doubt in week 5, fourth question.
Doubt?
Yes, sir, in fourth question, week 5.
Week 5, fourth question. Satyanavkar, sir?
Hello?
Yeah, wait. I will come back. Sorry, I will come back. Wait. Satyanavkar, sir? Okay. What is the question, Ma? Do you remember the question?
That polygon one, sir.
Pentagon prism, correct?
Yes, sir. I have to ask about the rotation.
Wait. So rather front view, top view, and right side view of the pentagonal prism of base side, so given axis side resting on the floor on the base with one of the edges Base inclined 30 degree to wall. Okay, so inclined 30 degree to wall means which you have to rotate, top view or front view?
Sir, can I present my screen?
Wait, I'll stop my screen.
So see this, is it correct or we have to do that rotation from top side only?
Wait. But this is resting on floor, correct?
This is correct, sir.
Wait, on the question they mentioned. Wait. I'll check it once.
Okay, sir.
It's also fine, but actually, see, wait, actually,
Yes, sir.
see there, and just present me one answer.
Wait, sir. I'll stop presenting. So present.
Yeah, I'll present. Okay, so this is also correct. Okay. So this side is initially this side is parallel. Okay, imagine. Okay, for looking like we won't get it. Initially, imagine looking like parallel. Okay, then.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
It is important to take that rotation from top side only.
Yeah, better you can talk because maybe that will be parallel to your XY reference. This is a reference plane, correct? This is a reference plane,
sir.
but this side will be resting like this. Imagine before rotation, this side is parallel like this. Okay. Then after rotation, will be coming to like this direction. Okay. In the top view, this side. So she taken this side. Okay. But your thing is your rotation from here, somewhat. But we don't know the reference line. Okay. The reference line is better. You can take it from here, top. Here maybe reference will be vary for your conditions.
Okay, sir.
Whether you got the same like this dash everything.
No, sir. For when we are taking from downside, then it is not coming like this. But I have done from top side also. But inside, I got my.
As for the questions, I'll read one more time.
Okay.
So right side, okay, the base side 20 mm and axis 35 mm. When it is resting on the floor, okay, on its base. Okay, base resting. Okay, leave it as it is. Okay, so now the top will be getting the pentagon. Okay, but one of the edges is base inclined to the wall, 30 degree to the wall. Okay, so for that, maybe this student's taking this side is 30 degree inclined to the wall. Imagine this side initially you can take in parallel to the wall. Okay, next we are rotating into 30 degree to the wall. This may be your wall. Okay, so better you can write a reference like this. Okay. You can do here also, but we don't know the angle correctly, whether this is 30 degree inclined or plus 30 plus 90, 120 degree inclined, that we don't know. But corresponding to this wall, maybe this is a wall. Okay, so that is you can take a reference plane wall. There 30 degree inclined means this is the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, actually what they are doing means, normally what we are doing means, we'll draw one line inclined from here. Okay, so actual procedure like this she did, I think is different there. But this is also correct. Okay, actual procedure is you draw one 30 degree line from here. Okay, from the wall, there is a reference line, you can draw one 30 degree line. Okay, From there, you can draw one pentagon. Getting
Yes, sir.
See? So roughly, okay. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, I got that answer, but I was having confusion that we have to take that rotation angle from top side or from bottom side.
Reference line, that is the reference line is correct one. Okay. So like this means you may draw one line inclined from here. Okay. That you have to draw 130-degree line. Okay, that is the correct method actually. Okay, so we are drawing 130-degree line. Okay, so how much 30 means this angle? Okay, 120. So reference line. Okay. This is getting slow. Okay, so draw one line. Okay, then you can draw that pentagon here. Okay, so like this direction. Okay, so you may getting this shape. Okay, so imagine this line.
From bottom when we are taking it. So when we are taking from bottom, then that is also parallel to XY. Means if we are taking from here,
That's what I'm saying. Bottom also correct there, but you must ensure. Okay, so whether you can correctly, you have to mark the dimensions. Okay, so the 30 degrees must be inclined to your reference plane. Reference plane is this angle, this direction, this reference line. Okay, that is your wall. According to that XY line, you must be 30 degree. That is maybe correct.
Okay.
Top view also no problem. Your answer you are saying from this maybe angle is 30 degree. Correct. Here we are drawing a line 30 degree. Yeah, rotation. That is also okay. What you have to ensure that should be correct. If it is correct means okay, no problem. The answer is correct. But how will you ensure? Here in this case, I am taking this my reference. From the reference, I am taking this 30. So okay, this is fine. But your case is you are rotating some this maybe you are going to rotate some 30 degree. Okay. Correct. So that should be equally inclined to your XY line. That is wall. That is the question they given.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you try, it will come. Okay, okay, pa. Okay, thank you. Nikhil? Thank you, sir. Okay, pa. Thank you.